Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video le apnalokok swagatam janaisu. So let's start. Okay. So first ki ase ban on coal drift making. So government of India has proposed a ban on the pharmaceutical company. So government of India ki korise a pharmaceutical company to ban koribole propose korise that produces cold drift cough syrup following reports linking the medicine to adverse reaction and multiple child deaths. So after getting the reports about the medicine having adverse reaction, mane medicine to adverse reaction ase buli aru multiple child death hua dekhi pelai etu ban propose korise the government of India. Thik ase, the Drugs Controller General of India has issued a so-called notice to the manufacturer after global health alerts indicated contamination with diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, both highly toxic industrial solvent. So egita contain kore boli koise diethylene glycol aru ethylene glycol egita highly toxic hoy for humans. Thik ase, highly toxic solvents hoy. The move comes as the part of India's ongoing efforts to strengthen the drug quality control and restore confidence in Indian pharmaceuticals after similar incidents in the Gambia and Uzbekistan in previous years. Thik ase, eta MCQ sound. With reference to government's proposed ban on the maker of the cough syrup cold drift, consider the following statement. So cold drift oporot a ban to oporot sarita statement dise kongita correct hoy sabo lage. The cough syrup was found to contain ki contain kore boli koisle diethylene glycol aru ethylene glycol jungita toxic to which are toxic to humans. So statement 1 correct hoy. 2 to ki koise the ban proposal was issued by Drugs Controller General of India after reports of child fatalities. Hoy nai bahut lorsali mitru hoise hetu karone reports for pisot ban proposal to issue korise by the Drugs Controller General of India. So the drug next to ki koise the drug cold drift was manufactured by Indian company operating under foreign license. So statement 3 is also correct. Ever check kor lo, thik ase. So 3 is not correct. The manufacturer is an Indian based pharmaceutical company not operating yes etu moi ignore kori disilu ki hoy foreign licensor under operate kora nai etu eta Indian based company hoy. Thik ase. Next, India's drug regulatory reforms are being coordinated under the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Etu correct hoy. 3 is incorrect, 1 2 correct. So 1 2 and 4 to correct hobo, that is option B. Next, PM3. So the government of Assam's Department of School Education in collaboration with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has launched a major leadership and school management training program for 382 principals and head teachers of PM3 schools for rising India institutions across the state. So government of Assam's Department of School Education logote with collaboration with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan launched korise eta major leadership and school management training program. 382 principals aru head teachers or PM3 bitorat 382 principals and head teachers or karne. The initiative conceptualized under the National Education Policy 2020 aims to strengthen school leadership, promote innovative teaching, enhance learning outcomes and ensure effective implementation of NEP goals. Conducted under Samagra Shiksha Assam, the program focuses on themes such as green and safe school, digital literacy and community engagement. Thik ase, here related eta MCQ saw me. With reference to training program for principals and head teachers of PM3 school launched in Assam, consider the following statements. The program is being conducted by the Department of School Education, Government of Assam in collaboration with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Eto correct hoy. 2 to ki koise, the initiative aims to strengthen leadership capacity in schools for effective implementation of the National Education Policy NEP 2020. This is also correct. 3 to ki koise, the training includes modules on digital literacy, school safety and community partnership. So training to ki include kore digital literacy, school safety or community partnership. This is also correct. Fourth, okay, the PM Shri scheme is implemented exclusively in central government school across India. Not only central government, states also. So statement 4 is not correct. 1, 2, 3 correct hobo option A. Next, D.N. Chakravarti. So the 98th birth anniversary, 98th birthday of veteran journalist D.N. Chakravarti was celebrated in Guwahati with great reverence and admiration. So 98th birthday of veteran journalist D.N. Chakravarti celebrate kora hol kot Guwahati with great reverence and admiration, known for his pioneering contribution to Assamese and English journalism. Chakravarti has been key figure in shaping public discourse in Assam over 7 decades. ठीक है? Okay, various eminent personalities, academicians and journalists attended the event to honor his lifelong commitment to ethical journalism, intellectual integrity and literary excellence. So kebajonu eminent personalities tarpisot academicians or journalists attend korise a event to a celebration to তেওঁ honor koribo karone তেওঁৰ lifetime commitment to ethical journalism, intellectual integrity and literary excellence ekini honor koribo karone teoluk ahise. Speakers highlighted his role as a bridge between media, culture and society in Northeast India. Eta MCQ sound. With reference to D.N. Chakravarti, recently in the news, consider the following statements. So, D.N. Chakravarti is a veteran journalist known for his long-standing contribution to journalism in Assam and Northeast. So, veteran journalist asile, well-known journalist asile, both contribution dise to Assam's journalism in Assam and Northeast India. ठीक है से statement 1 is correct. 2 to की कोई से he is associated with both English and Assamese and English journalism. तेओ both Assamia आरु इंग्राजी journalism और associated asile. So 2 is also correct. 3 to की कोई से he served as a key figure in promoting media ethics and cross-cultural understanding through his writing. So 3 is also correct. 4 to ki koise he was the first Indian journalist to win Ramon Magsaysay award for journalism. This is not correct. Teo etu award poa nasile. So 1, 2 and 3 correct hobo option A. Next, momentous step. So the editorial momentous step, junto editorial momentous step highlight korise a major reform or initiative recently undertaken by Government of India, marking a turning point in governance and policy implementation. It emphasizes the long-term impact of this decision, whether in administration, economy or social justice. Underscoring the transformative potential, the article calls the move momentous because it strengthens India's democratic framework, boosts institutional accountability and aligns with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. So, here related to the MCQ song. With reference to momentous step recently seen in the news, consider the following statement. The initiative marks a major reform under the Government of India aimed at strengthening democratic and institutional governance. So, it correct hoy. 2 to ki koise it aligns with India's long-term development vision of Viksit Bharat It aligns with India's long-term development and vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. So, this is also correct. ठीक है? एतो आमी पाइसिलो होय नै? And aligns with the vision of Viksit Bharat. Yes, this is also correct. So 3 to ki koise the initiative focuses on improving efficiency and transparency across administrative institution. 3 is also correct. Here focus kore on improving efficiency and transparency across administrative institution. ठीक है? 4 to ki koise it was introduced by state government to promote local cultural heritage. 4 is not correct. ठीक है? We silo ever. It is national level policy decision, not a state government initiative. ঠিক আছে, 4 is not correct. So 2 to incorrect বুলি কৈছে. While the initiative complement the goals of Viksit Bharat, it is not explicitly launched. কিন্তু এটো correct হব, because in the question launch under বুলি কোৱা নাই, align with বুলি কৈছে। ঠিক আছে, যোনটো ইয়াতো কোৱা হৈছিলে aligns with the vision of Viksit Bharat, ইয়াতো হেতু কৈছে it aligns with India's long-term developmental vision of Viksit Bharat. So etu correct hobo. So 1, 2, 3 correct hobo. ঠিক আছে, option 1 correct hobo. So here is the main question. Practice koriba. That's all for today. Thank you.